Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 7. I've got the 128 gigabyte matte black here, as you can see. So here first we've got. So let's have a look at what we get in the box. Here we get the manual, some Apple stickers, as well as the SIM ejector tool. So yeah, let me put that to one side. Then here we've got the actual device. Let's just put that out the way as well. Here we've got the power adapter, pretty standard. Then we've got the Apple earphones. They work with the lightning connector and not with the 3.5 mm jack as you would get with the older iPhones. But I haven't had any complaints with that. It works really well. And this is my favorite part of any unboxing, taking off the plastic from the phone. Yeah, so my initial impressions of the phone are that it's quite good. Still in 2019, it's very fast. It can run almost any app smoothly. I haven't had any lag whatsoever. It's almost the same as the iPhone 8 in terms of speed. It's just slightly slower. I could notice that. Yes, and I really like the matte black color. I wish they could have kept that in the newer iPhones. That was also one reason why I decided to go for the iPhone 7. And it was also a really good price. At 128 gigabytes, that's perfect for downloading a lot of apps or having a lot of music on your phone, or if you like taking photos and videos. 128 gigabytes is quite a lot of storage to fill up. I'd recommend also getting a case for your phone, as I found this phone to be quite slippery. But yeah, I still think in 2019 this is really a good choice to go for. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments, and catch you next time.